rivals. Can't play ranked with friends issue, different from the earlier one. Had new step-by-step fix. 1. Verify competitive unlock. Everyone in the party must complete the rank tutorial. Sometimes players forget this after hitting level 15. Go to competitive mode, training, and check if the tutorial is marked as complete. 2. Sync crossplay and region settings. Go into settings, gameplay, crossplay. Make sure all teammates have it either on or off. Then check region server under matchmaking. All players must be on the same server, not auto for some and region locked for others. Art 3. Clear profile cache. Log out of your account, clear saved data cache. On PC, delete saved folder under sent local app data, Marvel Rivals. On PS Xbox, go to storage settings, delete only reserved space cache, not the whole game. Restart and log back in. This forces the game to refetch your ranked profile. 4. Fix network sync errors. One player's bad NAT or packet loss can block the entire party. Have each player test connection NAT type. NAT must be type 1/2, open moderate. If anyone is strict type 3, enable UPnP in router settings or use port forwarding for Marvel Rivals. Restart router's modem and retry. 5. Use the ranked Requeue trick. Party leader selects unranked, quick play, back out, then competitive ranked. This refreshes matchmaking and bypasses the stuck queue bug that sometimes blocks ranked. 6. Leader and invite order fix. Let the lowest latency player, best ping, host the party. Invite friends one by one, starting from the lowest to highest rank. After the last invite, switch to ranked again. Tab 7. Reinstall game sync, last resort. If nothing works, fully uninstall and reinstall the game on the affected players. This ensures no corrupted rank profile or leftover cache is blocking matchmaking. This solution focuses more on tutorial unlocks, profile cache, NAT issues, and Requeue tricks, which are often overlooked compared to just party size rank rules. Would you like me to now